$350 on the 4s. We did $240 on the lost and found. As you can see, I kind of already started opening it. We'll go through everything. So we got these. Grab these. These are really nice. That mulberry. And for a mid, they do pretty good. Not bad. Got some 700s. Size 12. These bad boys. These were up. These went down. They're still nice though. Do y'all remember what these were sitting at? These are really nice. Good shit. Got some military blacks. These are doing really well. Size 10. Gonna black like these two. Just to, make sure they're good. But really good pair. The market, sheesh. The market is up on those. I'm gonna give a breakdown on what I paid for each. So able to get these. Ooh. Some people say the shoe of the year. I still think the Pandas are the shoe of the year. I'm a fan of dope box wear. My favorite sneakers are SBs, and you know how SBs do when it comes to dope boxes. It's a really good pair. This is a 7Y. I think I'm gonna hold these, and you see how the market looks towards the end of the year. Keep grabbing pairs of these, so don't be afraid to hit me up. Got pairs for sale. And the last pair, we got these here. These I might keep as a personal. You want to see these? These are fire to me. I always wanted these. Used pair, but no style loss. They're clean, bro. No drag. No laces. Clean. No stylers. So yeah, this is what we grabbed. Total we did 1050 shipped. 1050 shipped. And these were about 240. 240 on the lost and founds. 240 on the lost and founds. We did 350. 350 on the military blacks. I did 220. 350 on the military blacks. 220 on the 700s. I got these for a steal. Those were 130. And we got these middies. Well, I think 130 as well. So these are pretty good. Just small, quick pickup. Not bad. Let me know what you think. 224s. We did 240 on the lost and found. A little high, but I put in a hold and the market will go up. It's Chicago, gang. It's Chicago. 40. I got these for retail. Well, a little under retail. I got these for 110. Mids. Recap. You feel me? Good recap. And we did 220 on the 700s and 130 on these. But these, I might keep this in personal. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then my size, size 11, 9.5 for the toe. But yeah, I got another one coming soon. So like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.